Another rule for exponents is taking a base that has an exponent, but then raising it to another exponent. And all you do for that is you leave the base the way it is, and you are going to multiply your two exponents. So the new answer would become 5 to the 6th power. Something similar to this is if you had the number 5 and maybe it was also times, let's say 2, and you're within the parentheses, and you have an exponent out here, you can either multiply these two numbers together and then raise it to the exponent, or you'll raise each one of them to this exponent. So it is the same as 5 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 3rd power. And this comes in handy when these numbers that I'm using are actually being dealt with as letters. This could be an X, this could be a Y. If it was X and Y to the 3rd power, it would be the same as X to the 3rd times Y to the 3rd. And then finally, you might have a fraction, and I'll go ahead and keep with the letters for right now. And you might have a fraction of A over B in parentheses, and then the exponent on the outside. And let's just say the exponent is a letter. So I don't know how many times I'm raising this, but all it means is it's becoming A to the M power and B to the M power as well. Now, I can't do any of my subtracting like I did before because these are two completely different bases. So this might be a 5 and this might be a 6, so I couldn't do anything with them at that point. But if this were the number, if I were using a 5 over a 6 and raising it to the 2nd power, the answer here would become 5 squared over 6 squared. And at this point, you would just have to do the math, and you'd end up getting 25 over 36.